Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I want to showcase a project using the takeout treats. This is a bundle that is going to be available starting September 5th with the new holiday catalog from Stampin' Up. And you can see it has really nice sentiments good for like the holidays, right? I mean, you have Valentine's, you can do some for Halloween or Christmas or any other occasion. So today I wanted to show you one for Halloween. And so the die is like this, and this is half of a sheet, so this is 8.5 by 5.5. And what I do is I cut it like so, run it through, and then do it like that. And so out of a half of a sheet you get one full box. Okay, and as you can see, you have really nice other things to put. There's some tags, some hearts. This one will cut the holy leaf, and then here are some other areas. Like this one is just to cover these. So I had already pre-cut the takeout box. You have it here. So I have 2 of those, and then I have cut 4 with this little die, and this one will be like the covers. Okay. So let me just go ahead and show you. And like I said, this is a bundle. So this is takeout tinless dies with the takeout treats, and as usual, when you get them together, you save 10%. So let's just get started. So the first thing that we need to do is let's just go and stamp. And I have used this image out of the stamp set, this one and that one, so I can make a tag. So you can go ahead and put it like so. Alright, and then I'm going to be using Memento Black. Make sure it's well inked. And I'm going to be stamping right in the middle. And here we go. So here's how it looks. Less tricks and more treats. Is that not really nice for Halloween? I think it is. Let me just close. So that's pretty much all the stamping we're going to be making today. And I have already, like I said, there is a die cut here. So this one, you just put it like so and run it through your Big Shot, just to make sure I don't take that much time on this video. I had already done that, so because I want to focus on how to assemble this box. And so the way you can see, this one has already pre-score marks, and I'd like to always kind of burnish them with my bone folder. Same thing here. And same here. And like I said, there's all the marks are there. Just have to go. Oh, I forget about this one. And there we go. So now that I have it like so, we're gonna put them like this. I'm gonna be adding this double side tape, because for your 3D items, it's best if you use this one. It's kind of a strong, so I use this one. And I'm going to be putting them also on this section. the same here. And here. There we go. So now I usually like to go and kind of burnish them just to make sure they're really glued to the flaps. Okay, and the same with this. I always like to burnish them. And I'm going to be using this new Take a Tool or Take Your Pick, I think it is. I don't remember the name. It's brand new from Stampin' Up, but I'll put the description of the item that from here on the description and a link so you can get it. I think it's either Pick Your Tool or Pick a Tool or something like that. But I'll have the link on the description. It's a brand new tool coming up in the new catalog, and of course I haven't memorized yet the name, so just bear with me. A lot of these items are also new to me. Kind of cut this section just because. And now what I usually do is just pick. Oh, before I do that, ooh, let's just put this back. I'm gonna be gluing this. Okay. And like I said, I cut 4. You can have it here. So let's just put glue on all 4 of them. And this one is out of that Toil and, what is the name? Toil and Trouble Design Series paper. I'll show it to you in a second. And I love this Design Series paper. I think it's just gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. And it makes it so fun to make Halloween cards or Halloween projects in no time. And I'll show you in a second how this one looks. So anyway, so here it is. Let me just show you the Design Series paper because I'm sure you're going to love it. So here it is. It has some witches, the cauldrons, and you can see this is the Design Series paper that I'm using. There's some ghost strips, stars with the bats, pumpkins, and then hats. I mean, it's just amazing. I actually been hand cutting a lot of them. There are some die cuts, and some of the images will be cut with the frameless, like this witch and this one as well as the cauldron. Cauldron, I think is the word. So definitely great Design Series paper. Here's another one with the hat. The hat can also be cut with the die cut. So anyway, very nice Design Series paper. And so anyway, and I use it for these, right? So I love that one side has those nice images, and then the other one you can have a really nice pattern. Let me just show you another one here. You can see it here. I use the stars as a background, and then you can see I have used another hat for this little guy. So there's a video for these, and so you can check it out on my YouTube channel and as to how to make that one. But like I said, I am in love with this Halloween Design Series paper. I think it's fantastic, and all your projects will look fabulous. So I'm just taking off the backings of the adhesive, and you can see I usually try to hide whatever was over. You can see that. Like so. The same with this one. Alrighty. And You can see how it starts taking part. Now, whenever I'm doing this, I start just doing the same thing, burnishing the areas. And the same with this one. And I always go back with this to make sure that it is glued down. And voila. So here we go. That's how you have it. Now, for these, let me check here. I have, I think I have some candy here. So give me a second and I'll put some candy. So you definitely want to put some treats there. So I have 2 chocolates here. Obviously you can put something else, but I always just put candies. I'm going to be putting this and that. Let me just put this one the other way. I think it will be better. Oh my goodness. Just doesn't want to cooperate with me. There we go. That way it fits. So you can have 2 candies. And then you're going to close it. Nope. And there we go. Now, I would recommend to have your candy right away in so that it doesn't, you don't have to be opening or closing it because it's kind of tricky. And then in this case, I'm going to be using the, what is this? Texture Whip ribbon. And this is the Granny Apple Green. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little knot. So it kind of has a bow. You don't have to do that since it shuts down, or it closed. It has a really nice closure, the box itself. But I always feel like it looks nicer if you put a little bit of a ribbon or something. So there we go. Now let's just embellish now our box. So here's how it looks. Is that not the cutest thing? Really. So you have these, and now I have a piece of pumpkin pie, and this one is 3/4 of an inch by 3 1/4, and this one will go like so. Now I'm going to be doing a little flag as usual. On both ends. There we go. We're going to put this one here, and I'm going to be putting this one there. I think I want it like so. Yeah, I think it looks nice like this. Yes. And then I'm going to be putting this one here. Yes. Okay. So now, I don't think that this one would look, so I'm just going to cut it. I feel like this one didn't look quite there. Yes, I'm going to put it like so. I think I like it better like that. Yes. Yes, I like it better like that. So let's just gonna add adhesive here. And then we're gonna have this one like so. So I need to cut a little bit more because I don't want to show this. So this one will be like so. Let's see, there's still a little bit showing here, so I don't want that. There we go. And then I'm gonna be putting stickies here, so it should be fine. So on this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some dimensionals. Where are my dimensionals? There we go. And then I'm going to put this one like so. Now, but this one, before I glue it down, I want to put some wing of Stella. And I'm going to be using a piece of, here's a little bit of scrap paper. So I can add some shimmery to that bat. And it looks like I have glimmer paper, but it really is just wing of Stella. And it will look fantastic. And there we go. Yes, oh yes. And I'm gonna put a glue dot on these. And voila. And here it is. So wouldn't you like to get one of these little treats? So I love it. So you can do lots and lots of these very quick and easy. And there's a gazillion of these hats, different colors and shapes. You can see, not shapes, but designs, I just said. So you can see here, there's so many of them. And so you could be doing lots and lots of these little treat boxes. Very easy, very simple. And by the way, this one is out of a punch. I didn't show it to you, but there is a punch, this one. And so you get 3 bats in the 1 punch. So really cool. I'll put the link, like I said, of all these items that I use in the description of this video. Don't forget also about my ordering incentive. When you purchase from me using the hostess code of the month, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards. I'll send you everything except the stamping, but you can always substitute with whatever you have. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month, which could be a ribbon or rhinestones or whatever. I mean, any of the accessories. So anyway, hope you have liked it. If you did, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always appreciate hearing from you, and let me know if you actually give treats during the Halloween, or what do? Do you like to send cards, or do you like to give more treats? So let me know in the comments. I appreciate knowing from you, and thank you so much. I'll see you soon.